Let's learn Cho Hyung.
Cho Hyung.
Count 1. Look to the left. Load for your left low block. Step out to the left in a left front stance and do a left low block. Count 2. Using your back hand, right hand, do a right center punch without moving your feet. Count 3. Bring your hands up to guard. Do a back leg, right leg, high front kick. Key up, recoil, and step forward into a right leg forward front stance. Let's review those 3 counts.
Cho Hyung.
1, 2, 3,
はい。
Let's move forward to the next 3 counts. Count 4. Look over your right shoulder. Load for your right high block. Step back with your right foot and turn 180 degrees to the right in a front stance. Do a right high block. Count 5. Don't move your feet. Use your back hand, left hand, and do a palm strike to the chin. Count 6. Bring your hands to guard. Using your back leg, left leg, do a side kick to the stomach. Key up. Height! Recoil and step forward into a left leg forward front stance. Let's review those 3 counts. Four, 5, 6. Key up. Let's review all 6 counts.
Cho Hyung.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Key up. Let's move forward to the last 4 counts. Count 7. Look to the left. Load for your left low block. Pick up your left foot and turn 90 degrees to the center and do a left low block in a left front stance. Count 8. Load for a right high block. Step forward with your right foot into a front stance and do a right high block. Count 9. Load for a left middle block. Step forward to your left foot into a left front stance and do a left middle block. Count 10. Step forward with your right foot into a right front stance. Do a right knife block. Key up. Borrow. Attention and bow. Return to starting position. Let's review the last 4 counts. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Key up. Borrow. Attention bow. Return to starting position. Let's review the whole form by the count.
Cho Hyung.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Key up. 7, 8, 9,
Hey!
10. Key up. Borrow. Attention bow. Return to starting position. Last time, best time, without count.
Cho Hyung. Hey! Hey!